All right, let's talk about how you can remove the first or last character from a text string within Excel. So here we just have some random text strings. And you'll notice that there is a special character or letter in front of each of the numbers and after each of the numbers. And we want to remove those characters to just include the numbers in between those. So we're going to use a pretty simple formula here. In the cell adjacent to the text string, you'll type equals replace. And now the first argument for this function is it's going to ask for the old text, which in this case will be the adjacent cell, or this text string here, comma, the starting number, which in this case, if we wanted to remove the first character from the text string, that would be 1, comma, the number of characters we want to remove is 1. So basically we're telling the formula to be like, hey, look at this text string, go to the very first character and remove that one character. And we'll want to remove it with a double quote, which is going to signify to Excel that we just want it to be blank. And then we can end with the parenthesis and hit enter, and you'll notice that it removed that $sign. Now if we double click this little green square in the bottom corner of the cell, that formula is going to copy all the way down that row, removing that character. So now we need to remove the last character on this text string. We can do that by then using the replace formula once again. We can either select the old text string or the new one that we had created, hit comma, the starting number. In this case, we have a different amount of characters in each of these text strings, so we can't just simply put 10 as the starting number. So what we can do is type a function within a function, and we'll type the len, or the length function, and we'll select that text, end parenthesis. And basically that's going to tell us how many characters there's in that cell, so that will go to the very end. Then we'll hit comma, we just want to replace that 1, comma, quote, quote to leave it blank, end parenthesis, and hit enter. And we'll notice that now we're just left with the number. And if we double click again, that will copy all the way down. So we could also go back to this formula and say that instead of one character, we wanted to remove the first 2. So we would simply keep it starting at 1, and then we would change this second value to 2, to 3, to 4, or whatever we want. Let's just say 3 in this example. Go ahead and hit enter, and then we can drag this down, and you'll notice that'll make all of these shorter. But there you have it. That's how you can remove the first or last character from a text string within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.